request Shri C. Prasad Verma Garu, Manager, Himaja Educational Institutions, to come on the dais. Please welcome, sir.
Function and Circle Inspector of Police, Puttur, Shri S. Chandrasekhar Garu, and the respected guest of honor of today's function and manager, HDFC Bank Puttur, Shri MD Sahat, MBA Garu, respected and beloved Chairman of Himaja Education Institution, Shri M. Surendra Raju Garu, BE M.Tech, our respected and beloved correspondent of Himaja Education Institution, Srimati M. Ushida Madam Garu, respected Administrative Manager of Himaja Education Institution, Shri Prasad Garu, respected Himaja Degree College Principal, Shri Edmalai Garu and staff, respected Himaja Junior College Principal, Shri Sridhar Garu and Vice Principal, Shri Lokanathan Garu and staff, respected Campus in charge of Himaja Junior College, Shri Mani Garu, respected Himaja English Medium High School, Senior Principal, Shri Arthur Garu, respected Himaja Technical Teaching Staff and non-teaching staff of Himaja English Medium High School, respected Headmaster of GEMS English Medium Upper Primary School, Shri K. Banamurthy Garu and staff, respected Headmistress of HITS English Medium High School, Nagari, Srimati Vani Madam Garu and staff, respected parents, elders, well-wishers, and respected press and media. It is really a happy news. The highest point in each subject is 10 marks. It's a great achievement. In this academic year too, we firmly believe our 10th class students will achieve excellent results. Through encouragement and motivation, we make our students work hard in studies. Apart this, teachers in-time completion of syllabus, conducting daily revision examination, the management, that is our chairman sir and the correspondent madams, guidance and suggestions take the students on the success track. Next, let us see some extracurricular activities which were conducted in the last academic year. Sri Arts Cultural Association of Hyderabad conducted 11th State Level Curling Competition on 13th August 2012. In this, 361 students from 2nd class to 10th class participated and got medals and certificates. By this, students' drawing skills are identified and they are appreciated duly. Next, Independence Day was celebrated on 15th August 2012 grandly. The administrative manager of our institution hoisted the national flag and addressed the students. The senior principal took the students for rally and cultural programs were also conducted. Next, LIC of India, Puttur branch, conducted drawing and elocution competitions on 4th September 2012, in which Himaja school students participated and got prizes. By this, students' competitive skills are developed and they are encouraged in our schools. Next, Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams conducted Dharma Parikshayam and Dharma Praveshika examinations on 10th November 2012 for 6th to 10th classes. Nearly 393 students were appeared. By this, students got knowledge on Puranas. Next, Children's Day was also celebrated grandly on November 14, 2012. In this connection, competitions, sports and games were conducted for students and they were appreciated by giving prizes by conducted Chetumiki Science Talent Test on 16th November 2012 for 8th to 10th class students at the school level. 2 students were selected for mandal level competition. By this, students develop their competitive talents, competitive skills, and they are appreciated. Next, Vivekananda Creations writing competitions were conducted on 24th November 2012 for the students of classes 3rd to 10th, in which 584 students participated and 9 students got prizes for their test in the writing. By this, students' memory power is tested. Next, Puttur zonal sports and games were conducted at Gopala Krishnapuram. A lot of students had actually participated and got medals and certificates. Next, World AIDS Day Rally was organized. and awareness on AIDS was created. In this, 8th to 10th class students participated. Teachers also motivated to participate in this AIDS rally. Next, in connection with the 4th World Telegu Conference, Tirupati, a Telegu Mahasabha rally was organized by Himalaya School 30th January 2013. In this, Sri B. Nageswara Garu, Senior Civil Judge, District Legal Service Authority, Chittoor, Sri G. Ranganathan Garu, retired MEO, Science Officer, Jana Vijnana Vedika, President Chittoor Garu. Both of them gave valuable information on student-related laws and on science. Next, annual sports meet was held at Mixed English Medium High School, Nagari on 1st March 2013. Kho-Kho was conducted for girls and boys. Volleyball was conducted for senior boys. Throw-ball was conducted for senior girls. Athletics were conducted for senior boys. In this connection, winners and runners were given away prizes and certificates by our respected Chairman Sir. In this connection, I would like to say the results of the annual sports meet. Overall championship winners goes to Akash House. Overall championship runners goes to Aqua House. Individual championship for boys goes to K. Vinay Kumar of Temple Techno. Individual championship for girls goes to E. Bhavika of Temple Techno. So in this way, we encourage the students to study well in the academics, and we also encourage them to participate in sports and games and also extracurricular activities. Why? Because each student has some kind of a talent. His talent should be identified and his talent should be appreciated in due time. So that's what we are doing in this Imaja. So in this connection, I request all the parents on behalf of our Chairman Sir and the correspondent madam to extend your cooperation and support for the development of the institution. At this juncture, I would like to thank our respected Chairman Sir and the correspondent madam for giving me this golden opportunity, and I thank you all. Have a pleasant evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Bhanumurthy sir, HM of GEMS, to read out the annual report.
GEMS English Medium UP School Puttur Annual Day Celebrations 2013 Annual Report by Mr. K. Bhanumurthy, Headmaster. Respected distinguished guests on the dais, I am very happy to stand before you to read about the annual report of GEMS English Medium UP School of the academic year 2012-2013. So functions: Independence Day, Children's Day, Republic Day were celebrated in a grand manner. In connection with the above functions, competitions like essay writing, elocutions were conducted. Merit certificates were given to the prize winners. Participation certificates are also given to all the participants. District level science exhibition was conducted at Himalaya Junior College, Puttur on November 2012. In which our school students K. Mary Pradima of 7th class and B. Harika of 6th class participated through the exhibits named Global Warming. The Arts Cultural Association of Hyderabad has conducted the coloring competition in GEMS English Medium School for the students of LKG to 8th classes. Some students got gold, silver and bronze medals and certificates. 11 National Youth Day competitions were conducted in GEMS English Medium School by Sri Ramakrishna Museum for the students of 4th to 8th classes. Some students got Swami Vivekananda books as prize. Karate classes are regularly conducted in GEMS English Medium School, in which a lot of students actively participate and show their skills. I proudly inform you that we have introduced a room program and audio-visual classes. Through this program, students have improved spoken English skills and better learning activities. Hence, I request all the parents and well-wishers to extend their cooperation and support for the development of children studying in our school. I thank our chairman sir and correspondent man for giving me this golden opportunity, and thank you all. Have a pleasant evening. Thank you.
Honorable dignitaries on the dais, dear parents, teachers, my dear students, a warm welcome to you all from Himaja Techno Batch. We have often heard a saying, the path of duty is the way of glory. In addition to the several landmarks and strides in the preceding years, this year is singularly important because in 5 years of the existence of Himaja Techno Batch, the students of this institution have attained the best standards in academics, sports and games, co-curricular activities, competitive exams, and doing project work by showing their outstanding performance in district as well as state levels. Now, I would like to present before you a brief report of the activity of the school for the academic year 2012 and 13. Growth is the symbol of life, and I am proud to say that we have increased in strength as well as section during this year. I am happy to inform you that we have followed the semester system in spirit and practice, and its components such as project work, field trips, lot of classroom as well as outdoor activities have been conducted to develop a positive thinking in the children. Open days are being held for the parents to discuss evaluations, academic programs and conduct of the children. Wide exposure is given to the students to participate in different competitions and cultural festivals to ensure them to develop a sound mind in a sound body. I avail this opportunity to thank all the Himajans, the parents and the students for their encouragement and cooperation. And with the cooperation of our chairman sir and correspondent ma'am, of all concerned authorities and the commitment and dedication of the staff of Technobat, I am sure that we can achieve greater heights and face any challenge that may confront to us in future. Thank you.
Chairman, Sri Surendra Rajagaru, to give valuable speech on this occasion.
Good evening to all of you. I welcome the chief guest, our well-wisher, Sri M.H. Bhaskar Garu, retired MU of Puttur, and Sri Sajid Garu, manager of SDFC Bank Puttur, and Madam Nishida, the person behind the success of these institutions, my staff, all my staff who are in responsible positions like headmasters, in charges, principals of Himaja Junior College, Degree College, all the staff in the institutions. And good evening to all the parents and students who are here for their day. And right from 2:30, we were witnessing a lot of programs. చాలా మంది మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తుంటారు, ఎల్కేజీ పిల్లలు కూడా ఒక్కొక్క తండ్రి స్టైల్లో డ్యాన్స్ వేసేది వేరు, సింక్రనైజ్డ్ ప్యాటర్న్లో ఒకే విధంగా 10 మంది అయినా 12 మంది డ్యాన్స్ చేయడం, ఆ కొరియోగ్రఫీ కానీ ఆ పిల్లల్లో ఉన్న టాలెంట్ అనబట్టే విధంగా పిల్లలు ప్రదర్శనలు ఇచ్చారు. డెఫినెట్లీ ఇట్ వాస్ గ్రేట్ ఈవినింగ్ టుడే. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ తర్వాత కూడా దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి వెరీ గుడ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ విత్ complete system will be involved in all the programs. And I welcome once again all the parents, well-wishers, print and electronic media people, all of them with their support. Today we are here in this position. Welcome to all. Monna Bettundi Himaja School. We have completed 17 years. 1996 we started institutions and we are progressing gradually and we have completed 17th milestone with the cooperation and support of all of you who are here. ఎందుకంటే ఒకరి వల్ల అయ్యే పని కాదు ఇది. నేను మేడం ఇద్దరు కలిసి అనుకుంటే ఈ సమస్య దూరం రాదు. దానికి మెయిన్గా కావాల్సింది మీరు పేరెంట్స్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్, మీలో మా పైన ఉన్న నమ్మకంతోనే ఇంత దూరం మేము రాగలిగాం. And with the support and with the commitment of my academic team, we are here today. ఎడ్యుకేషన్ గురించి మనం మాట్లాడాలంటే I'm not going to take much of my time, your time. ఎడ్యుకేషన్ గురించి చెప్పాలంటే ఈరోజు the world is moving towards marks. గుడ్డిగా మార్క్స్ అని మనం పోరాడుతున్నామే కానీ ఆ మార్క్స్ వల్ల వచ్చే ఉపయోగాలు మాత్రం చాలా మందికి అర్థం కావడం లేదు. మార్క్స్ వచ్చి జస్ట్ 35% సరిపోతుంది. 65% ఈజ్ రైట్. జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్, ఇంటలెక్చువల్ నాలెడ్జ్, లాజికల్ థింకింగ్, పర్సనల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ చాలా ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడున్న ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమ్, ఇంతవరకు ఉన్న ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమ్ మన ఆంధ్రాలో కానీ చూస్తే ఒక పిల్లవాడిని మనం యుద్ధ రంగంలోకి పంపిస్తున్నాము ఆయుధాలు లేకుండా, వితౌట్ వెపన్స్. ఒక వ్యక్తిని మనం యుద్ధ భూమిలోకి పంపించేటప్పుడు ఆయుధాలు లేకుండా పోతే అన్న ఏం చేస్తాడు? ఏం చేస్తాడు? ఈ కెనాట్ ఫేస్ ద బ్యాటిల్. యుద్ధం చేయలేడు, ఓడిపోతాడు. అదేవిధంగా ప్రజెంట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమ్ ఎలా ఉందంటే మార్కులు ఉండేది బైహార్ట్ చేయడం, ట్యూషన్ పెట్టడం, చదివించడం, వాడి మైండ్ లో ఉండేది తగ్గేది తప్ప అది ఎలా వస్తుంది, దాని అప్లికేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అనేది మనం ఆలోచించలేదు. ఎందుకంటే మన మైండ్ లో రైట్ బ్రెయిన్, లెఫ్ట్ బ్రెయిన్ రెండు ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. మన ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమ్ లో లెఫ్ట్ బ్రెయిన్ మాత్రం యాక్టివేట్ అవుతుంది. బైహార్ట్ చేయడం, రాయడం, ఆలోచించలేదు, జనరల్ గా ప్రాక్టికల్ అప్రోచ్ అనేది ఉండదన్నమాట. అదే కానీ రైట్ బ్రెయిన్ కానీ యాక్టివేట్ చేసే సిస్టమ్ కానీ మనం తీసుకొస్తే విచ్ ఈస్ ద సిస్టమ్ అబ్రాడ్ అనమాట. ఇతర దేశాల్లో ఉండే సిస్టమ్ అది. ఎక్కువ చదువు అనేది ఉండదు, ఇండిపెండెంట్ లెర్నింగ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. బుక్స్ చదువుతారు, ప్రాజెక్ట్ రిపోర్ట్స్ రాస్తారు, ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, ఫీల్డ్ ట్రిప్స్ పోతూ ఉంటారు. దట్ ఈస్ ద సిస్టమ్ ఐ హావ్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్డ్ ఇన్ టెక్నో 5 years బ్యాక్, కీపింగ్ ఇన్ మైండ్ ద డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యూచర్. ఇప్పుడు క్రమంగా ఏమవుతుందంటే మన రాష్ట్రంలో కూడా వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ సిసిఈ ప్యాటర్న్. సిబిఎస్ఈ సిలబస్ కోసం మనం వెళ్తున్నాం. ఆ సిబిఎస్ఈ సిలబస్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే మార్క్స్ పెద్ద ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉండదు, ఓవరాల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద చైల్డ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. రన్నింగ్ బిహైండ్ మార్క్స్ యు ఆర్ ఇంటలెక్చువల్లీ బ్లైండ్ అన్నమాట. కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో మనం క్వాలిఫై కాలేము. ఈ రోజు సర్వే ఆఫ్ ఇండియా మనం చూసినట్టయితే పేపర్ మనం రెగ్యులర్ గా ఫాలో అవుతుంటే 85% of people are successful today are not successful today. 19 ఏళ్ల పాటు వాళ్ళ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమ్ కంప్లీట్ అయింది. స్కూల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ 12 years, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ 2 years, ఇంజనీరింగ్ 4 years తీసుకుంటూ వస్తే 18 to 19 years ఆఫ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ చదివిన తర్వాత కూడా ఈరోజు ఉద్యోగాలు రావడం లేదు, ఇబ్బందులు పడుతున్నారు అంటే కమ్యూనికేషన్ లెవెల్లో కానీ, అప్లికేషన్ లెవెల్లో కానీ, లాజికల్ థింకింగ్ లో కానీ, అనలిటికల్ అప్రోచ్ లో పిల్లల్లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. జనరల్ గా మనం క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినట్లయితే వాడు ఆన్సర్ చేయలేడు. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఉండే క్వశ్చన్లు ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ మాత్రం డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తే ఆన్సర్ చేసే విధంగా మన సిస్టమ్ ఉంది. దాన్ని మనం వెంటనే దాని రూప్ మార్చాలంటే మాత్రం ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ దట్ ఈజీ థింగ్. క్రమంగా మనం ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమ్ లో మార్పులు తీసుకురావాలి. దానికోసం దాదాపు నేను 2 years డూయింగ్ రీసెర్చ్.